Welcome to August 4th video newsletter. We're looking at the Dow Jones right now and the move I was talking a bit just before the market today. We made a higher high than yesterday and not yesterday, than Friday and Thursday, so that's a very, very positive sign. The same thing happened with the QQQ where we made a new high compared to Friday. We haven't, crossed the Thursday high, but that's nevertheless it's still very positive. Now let's go look at some of the stock we traded on Friday, and that just continued, and that's a great pick that we had there. So we traded intraday on that one, and then I re-entered today when I saw that it basically gapped up. That's a very, very good trade. And now at this point, I would not get in if you're not in, but I would just track the lows and see how it goes if you're still in it. Okay. MDOR today we had after many days of just being very, very calm, the stock going down. We had a very tight range day on Friday, and I had it on my alerts, and you know what, this morning it was quick and fast. I'm looking at a 6-minute chart right now, 60 minutes, sorry. So this one now we're in it, and I hope you had it on your watch list. We've been talking about it for many days and many weeks actually. And this is a type of move that I want to see when a stock is about to start or is starting. Now BHL just amazes me. It continued to do again another new high, new lows, another series of new higher lows, sorry. And we're still in it, just tracking it. Just doesn't give a, there's no sign to get out of this stock right now. So the volume is increasing, everything is perfect. So just watch, just make sure you don't let the stock go under 11 cents, and there's no reason to sell. If not, if it goes under 11, then take your profit, because this has been more than a good ride. Okay, almost 6 times, not right now, from 5 to 6 times from where we entered. And VSR, same thing, same concept. We're tracking the lows, and the low of today is higher than the low of Friday, and it never crossed Friday's low today, so we just actually never even re-entered the bar of Friday. So that's very, very good. BIEL today on a 60-minute chart in the morning we had a move, and that's how I set up my alerts for the one that don't know. When I look at the daily chart like this, I every day reset my alerts, and then when I get the signal it crosses, that's when I started to take action and to look at the stock basically. So it was very active morning. Now TTNP I just want to show you, because if you look at it on a larger time frame, you could look at a possible cup with handle. The handle would be in formation right now, and that means that we would have, like for the next few days, or maybe it's already done, but we're forming the handle right here, and we could have another move up from here. Okay, so I just want you to watch this. And Nene, or New Energy, we had a new high. It's coming with more volume. It's fine. That's an entry. So now we'll watch it, but I will not let it go under the low of today. So that basically give us a stop loss at just under 89 cents. That's wide, but there's no choice in this stock. It's a very volatile stock, so it could be at 140 tomorrow. There's no way to actually tomorrow on Tuesday. But don't give it too much room to the downside. Okay. SPNG just kept on churning and moving up. Not much is happening there. This stock is being capped right now. There's a lot of selling, but buying is coming in. But it's not acting like the way I like, anyways. Now COTE, just want to show you. The stock just keeps going up, going down. Sorry, no reversal sign as of yet. NXPN, just wait. I would. If you want to see the way I will track this one from now on, I just do this, and then we'll look at a series of let's say I'll take it from this eye going on there. If we cross that, could be a signal to get back in, but we'll see. We will see what it does. We need a new higher eye from the previous day's eye. Okay, very important. to give us a sign to get back into the stock. Volume is declining nicely, you know, that's good. It's doing it in a nice way as the stock is pulling back, so keep that on your watch list. Just want to show you BAC now in the large cap. I had shown you this pennant, and everything happened as per the rule book. We're basically up a few points on this one. Today we're seeing some selling, you know, like basically it's a doji, but there's a tail being formed here. So tomorrow what could happen is if it opens very strong, it could keep running up, or we could have some sideways action. If you haven't started to take some profit, just take some and leave some in for the ride, and make sure you manage your stop loss properly. HIG, just going through it, nothing else to say about that one other than it's consolidating. STT, as I mentioned this morning, this was on the verge of doing a breakout, and it did, so that's picture perfect. Volume is not actually, it's not exactly picture perfect because I'm missing the volume here, but definitely it continued on from Friday's move, and it's nice. This is a stock if I'm looking at it on a larger time frame. We have some room to go back up to 60. That's the first resistance area, and then after that we'll see if we can push up higher than that. So if you play that with option, that's a good stock right now. Now the next one is PNC. Basically the range, not the range but the channel I showed you, we got out of it with strong volume, so that move is started. Just track it properly with the proper stop loss and you should be good. USO, it didn't give much of a chance to enter as everything gapped up, but just as an example, just going to type the stock to see. Many of the stock that were in the oil and gas gapped up this morning, or service related, oil service related, and you know, nevertheless this is the start of a move I think for the oil. We'll see how it goes in the next few days. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll have a great trading day on Tuesday, the 4th of August. Thanks again, and see you later for Wednesday. Thanks.